In a jaw-dropping turn of events, the Fraser Valley spring inventory has skyrocketed to its highest level since September 2019, all thanks to slower seasonal sales in the month of May. Now, this inventory surge has balanced the market, easing price growth and delivering a win for buyers. Active listings shot up 8% from April to May, hitting 7,904. That's a staggering 42% increase over May of 2023 and 19% above the 10-year average. But hold on to your hats here, folks. Sales have taken a hit. With only 1,517 transactions on the Fraser Valley Real Estate Board's MLS in May, sales climbed only 3% from April, but plummeted 11% compared to May of 2023, sitting at 21% below the 10-year average. While whispers of rate cuts are in the air for later on this year, the timeline and exact impact are really still anyone's guess. So, if you're thinking about either buying or selling, there is a chance that these market shifts will shake up the mortgage rates in these coming months. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig into the actual stats, and I'll show you exactly what we are seeing. Okay, so here we are in the Stats Center for the Fraser Valley Real Estate Board, and we're looking at the statistics for all of the Fraser Valley. So, of course, if you want statistics on your particular neighborhood, whether it's Surrey, White Rock, Langley, or wherever else in the Fraser Valley, reach out, let me know, and I can help you out with that. But this is a big picture for the Fraser Valley, and we're going to start off by looking at detached houses, and we're looking at days on market. So the average days on market for a detached house is 25 days, meaning if your house is listed on the market, it should sell within approximately 25 days. Now, if you're a seller and it's sitting longer than that, there's a good chance that it's priced too high or there might be something else wrong with it. So chat with your realtor and ask why it's not selling. Usually it's priced though. So let's take a quick look at apartment condos are sitting on the market for 22 days on average. And when we look at townhouses, the average is 18 days. All right, so let's go back to detached homes, and we're going to look at, this is an interesting stat. When someone makes an offer on your home, you're typically going to get about 97.8% of the asking price. So statistically, 97.8%. So that's really good. We're not going over ask right now. We're not really going into that bidding war situation anymore. But you can expect pretty much what you're listing your home for is what you're going to get, provided you've got it listed at a fair market value. And that's key, fair market value. Okay, for apartments, it's probably about the same. 98.3%, and townhouses, 98.9%. Now, let's take a look at active listings. We'll go back to houses really quick. This is how many houses are currently on the market, and right now you can see in all of the Fraser Valley for the month of May, there was 2,685 homes on the market, detached homes. For condos, apartments, 1,318. So these are good numbers for you to know if you've got your home listed for sale, how much competition you have out there. Now, of course, your realtor is going to be able to break it down for you and let you know, you can search for apartment, for example, resale or new construction, the size of the square footage of your condo, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, and so on. So you can really narrow it down to get an idea of what the proper price is or what the competition is listing their homes for. And those are good numbers to know. Now, going back, I think we were at townhouses, right? Townhouses, 1,068 active listings. All right, so new listings. These are the new listings that came on the market in the month of May. So for townhouses, we had 746 new listings, apartments, 762, and detached houses, 1,277 houses. So we've got a lot of inventory on the market, but not a whole lot of sales happening. And finally, let's take a look at the average sale price. This is what everybody wants to always see. Average sale price for a detached home in the Fraser Valley, and again, this is all of the Fraser Valley, is $1,541,000, $543. All right, for an apartment, we're looking at $561,000, $359. And for townhouses, the average sales price is $861,000, $947. So as you can see, it's pretty clear that the Fraser Valley real estate market is undergoing some significant changes, with inventories reaching their highest in nearly 5 years. And this influx of listing, it's created more of a balanced market, offering buyers more choices and easing pressure on those prices. So while sales have slowed seasonally, this stabilization is expected to continue as we approach later into the next half of the year. So potentially leading to, well, rate cuts. But as always, only time will tell. Now, again, if you have any questions about the real estate market here in the Fraser Valley, or you're thinking about buying or selling, please feel free to reach out and schedule a call with me. There is a link in the description box below. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video.